Keeping in consideration the IMF proposals for the upcoming budget of Pakistan for fiscal year 2026 and 2027, particularly regarding the standardization of the GST, the taxes on the importation of solar panels have actually prompted some kind of reactions from the dealers as well as the consumers of this solar panel energy source. In this particular regard, there are two main things that needs to be scrutinized. Number one, the impact that would be borne by the consumers, and number two, the impact that would be borne by the dealers in this regard. The main IMF proposals in this regarding the importation of the solar panels is that the standardization of the custom duties shall be ensured even with the importation of the solar panels, which means that there are few chances or there are few proposals that the importation of solar panels, the hybrid setups, would cost you 18 to 19% of taxes or the custom duties. But on the other hand, greater are the chances that this importation would be levied only up to 10%. But let's scrutinize the main and the direct impacts on the consumers and dealers. As far as the dynamics of the dealership and the importation of the solar system is concerned, there are two main points that needs to be scrutinized. Number one, on one hand, it may seem apparent that there will be a constraint because there is now a 10% levies, or there is a probability of 10% levies on the solar importation. But on the other hand, in the longer terms, it will also boost the domestic manufacturing of the solar production. Yes, if on one hand, it may seem apparent that the importation will face some kind of preventions and will face some kind of constraints, but on the other hand, the domestic industries and the manufacturing plants of the solar panels would be boosted ultimately. And this has been the main point in the dealership of the solar importation, even keeping in view the proposals of the IMF and a probability of the increment of 10% of taxation or custom duties in the importation of the solar system. If one see it through the perspective of the common consumer, on one hand, there is this apparent fact that a halt would be experienced as far as the installation of the solar system is concerned, and another halt would be experienced in the country's trajectory that was redirecting itself from the existing energy resources to the renewable energy sources such as the solar panel system. But on the other hand, this fact is also worth mentioning that the general consumers would also rely more on batteries and would try to conserve the energy, ultimately saving the energy for their further use. Now, with IMF proposals regarding the standardization of the custom duties and taxation on the importation of the solar panel system and the scrutiny of the current government of Pakistan in this particular regard, on one hand, it could be perceived or it may be perceived by few elements of the society that it could contribute to a halt in the country's trajectory and priority to the renewable energy source. But in the longer term, it could actually prove out to be very much fruitful, keeping in consideration the notable point that it will help boost the domestic manufacturing of the solar panel system within Pakistan. Thank you.